All right, guys, welcome back to another how-to video on Blue Line Garage. Now, if you haven't subscribed and if you haven't seen any of my videos, I do a lot of car repairs, a lot of car rebuilds, but here and there I do a lot of how-to videos and just basic maintenance on your vehicle. This vehicle here we're working on is a 2007 Escalade EXT, and we're going to be changing the air filter here, and it's going to be right there in this vehicle. If this is your vehicle and you want to know how to change the air filter, this is the show for you. All right. So what you need is you need a T25 bit for the screws right along here. And there's 4 of them. Okay. So what we're going to do, well, actually 4. Yeah, there is 4. There's one right down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these screws out, show you the air filter, put the new one in, and then close it back up. Okay, and as you can see, this filter looks pretty good on this side, but when you turn it around, you can see all this crud and dust. This isn't too, I've seen a lot worse, but it's always good to change these out, especially when you get a new car or a used car. Always want to change this stuff because you don't know the condition that people took care of their cars. Even check out the sides. Now remember, this is the intake filter, so it can increase a little bit better airflow. You're not going to see a dramatic change in speed or anything like that. So that's it. It took me, what, 2 minutes to do. Pretty simple. If you haven't, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, leave some comments, let me know what you guys think. Hopefully this helps you out on locating the air filter and replacing it. There's no particular brand that you should buy. Any brand should be fine. There's no performance air filter. You know, I just buy just a basic cheap one and it still do the same job. All right, other than that, peace out.